Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Hey, let's get our stuff ready for tomorrow. We have 2 eggs. I don't know. I couldn't really tell a difference in whether it was gummy with the cheese in it or not. So I'm just gonna go on and put the cheese in it now so I don't have to deal with it tomorrow. So we got 2 eggs, a wedge of cheese. I'm gonna zero it out. And then we're gonna use 30 grams of some salsa. Okay, so we got some salsa, and then in the morning I'll stir all that up. And we have my half of a serving of frozen avocado. I'm just setting that there for a minute. I'm going to add on to it some seasoning I have called guacamole and more. So I'm going to put a little of that seasoning in there. This is working out well for a good breakfast. I enjoy it. And so I watched some of my travel videos just to kind of see what I did last year when I went on this trip. And I noticed I took I put my two burgers in a Ziploc. And so each of those burgers, like I'd have like 2 for breakfast, and I may have like 3 for lunch, and then 3 for supper. I just took enough for 8 burgers each day, and that's how I did it last time. So that kind of sounds like a good plan to me. And then I don't know if I'll take any veggies or not. If I can remember, I'd like to go pick up some, what do you call those things? See, I can't take salads. I mean, I could, but I don't want to lug those around. You know what I mean? That's going to be pretty drastic. And they do usually have some kind of vegetable. And so, I could probably find some kind of vegetable to put on my salad. Or to put on my, with my burgers. So I'm thinking if I take anything, it would be maybe some of these pickled veggies. I could see putting those in a container. And, what's wrong with I could see putting some of these in a container and taking them. I don't know. We will see. I still haven't figured it all out yet. So there's our salad. And then breakfast. Oh, I already got my apple. I was on it tonight, man. I was on it. I want to hurry because we have to have a discussion. So let's see. I pulled out my stuff. That looks like some kind of meat and gravy, green beans, and looks like steak. What is this? It's some kind of steak with gravy on it. I don't know. I'll take that one tomorrow. It's already seasoned up. It might have been that roast. I might have put some of the juice on there. So I am going to add a little bit more seasoning. So we'll just add a little bit more garlic salt because I remember the roast was not, it didn't absorb the seasoning very well. So, all right, we'll do that, and then a little bit of this Boom seasoning. This is Boom all day. It's like a umami flavor, so it's a very savory, so kind of gives meat more of a meaty flavor. So I don't know what that is, but that's what we're going to have. And then my coffee. So let me zip this up. So we got my breakfast and my lunch. All right. Because then we got to have a little talk. Come on, fella. Get in there. All right. Now I'll put my coffee here. And then, yeah. So then that'll be ready. And then what I'll do is I'll put this green beans and this steak back in the refrigerator. And then we'll have this tomorrow. So hang on. So, you know, I've been trying to go without the gum and the Mio and like the flavored drinks. And I kind of think I might be going through a little bit of detox from it. You know, I don't know. I'm still processing it. But my mouth is feeling better, just a little better every day. And I noticed tonight, when I was just kind of chilling out and watching YouTube and playing video games, I just kind of noticed that a little of this. And so I don't know, but my mouth, it's almost like I'm going through a little bit of detox like I went through before. So it's 7:30, and last time when I had to go through the detox, I took Benadryl every night. Last night and the night before, I took a little shot of NyQuil. I'm not saying that's what a person should do. I'm just saying that's what I'm doing. Because, you know, I may be a nurse, but I'm not your nurse. So, yeah. I'm just, it's something I'm kind of experiencing. And I don't know. Is it detox? Is it just my mouth driving me nuts? I don't really know what it is. But yeah, I know it's 7:30. I'm about to go take a shot of NyQuil and knock myself out because I don't like this feeling. I don't like this feeling. So maybe it might be a little bit of detox. Maybe not. Maybe it's just all, you know, this trying to figure each other out. It's specifically my tongue, my salivary glands. And this is how I'm feeling. Like my tongue, my salivary glands, the roof of my mouth a little bit. Not my teeth or anything like that, but just like my tongue. And it's a specific spot on my tongue. Almost like the spot where when you eat some, you know, drink the sweet stuff, almost like it's those taste buds that are crying out. I don't know. I could be woo, but I'm just saying that's what I'm experiencing. So who knows? But I'm going to go ahead and go take some NyQuil, and I'll see you in the morning for breakfast. Good morning. Check out this wild hair I got going on. Whoo, Nelly. It's some rough hair. Listen, I know the last time we talked, I told you I was taking some NyQuil to knock myself out. Well, I flipped and flopped and flipped and flopped in my bed for about an hour. I don't know. But anyway, at least I was in bed, and it did help with the detox. So I'm definitely feeling better today. I'm hungry, though. It's a little later than I intended for breakfast. It is 8:10. Got my avocado, and I have my eggs. I can't remember if I salted them or not, so I'm going to take a bite. Okay. So I'm going to eat breakfast, and I'll see you at lunch. Wait a minute. I packed my lunch and totally forgot. Me and my other director were going to a place called Broussard's. It's kind of like a Cajun, Louisiana-style place. So I'm thinking, I'm torn between a stir-fry thing. It's stir-fry with vegetables. And it comes on a bed of rice, but I think I'm going to get it served on a bed of extra veggies and see if they'll do that. So anyway, I'll take a picture of it, letting you see. Bye. Here's the menu, and I got the Broussard's sirloin. That's the one I chose. I ordered a steak. It's a 10-ounce sirloin, a salad, and then it comes with steamed vegetables. So I'll try to show you all that. But they got a movie that they're recording downtown, so it's kind of funny. We had to kind of go a weird way to get here, but this place is called Broussard's. Here's a quick shot of my salad and my steak and veggies. Hey there, so I'm done eating. I had a 10-ounce sirloin. It came with the salad. I had blue cheese, and I had some steamed vegetables. So that's what I had for lunch. It's funny, down the street, they're filming a movie called Under the Surface. It's a faith-based movie about human trafficking. So when that comes out of the theaters, I'll have to go see it and talk to you all about it. But yeah, it's just down the street from where we were eating. It's funny because we were inside and we didn't see the cameras, but we saw the the extras walking one way and then they'd walk back. They'd walk another way, that same way, and then they'd go back. So they were doing a whole bunch of different takes of the people walking. So that was funny. So, all right. Anyway, back to work. Bye. Hey, something else. So I ran by Walmart on my drive back to office, and I picked up some of those Quest chips because I thought, you know, taking those might be something good. I watched my video and I ate them on my last trip, and good to have around, like maybe like 1 in the afternoon, because you know there's all those snacky things that they give out, and so if I have one of those bags of chips in my bag, it'll be something that I can have around. Or if they have something like nachos or something, I could use that. But also I bought a bag of apples, so I'm gonna take those with me. But in full transparency, after eating lunch just now on my drive back from Walmart, I did eat an apple, so I had add that to my list of foods I ate today. Okay, to see you at supper. Hey there, I'm home, and what I did was I just took the stuff that I brought for lunch today, and that's what we're going to eat. So it looks like it's some kind of steak bites of something and gravy. Maybe it was, I don't know, it must have been some steak I cooked up, but I guess the gravy was what was left down in the thing. Oh, I think I did do something in a skillet. I can't remember. That's why you got to be good to your future self, because your future self is the one that's going to be eating whatever it is you're cooking right now. So you got to make sure you be nice to your future self. I tell you, we got a lot to happen this weekend. And I'm taking my salad. I'm going to go try to get this video edited and uploaded. I'll see you later. Bye.